It was good, bro. I just want to show you my screen time real quick so that you can see that I don't actually scroll at all. I don't have a secret other phone. This is the only phone that I use. I actually have another phone where I post Instagram videos too, but I don't like, fuck, I messed that up a bit. But anyway, that's just to show you that I don't scroll at all. And I don't, of course, I don't also scroll in the morning, but here is advice to someone who wouldn't scroll in the morning. So I've helped a couple of people with this, and I wouldn't say I have a specific framework for not scrolling in the morning. I'll just like kind of in this video go over the things that I would do if I was in your position and the mornings were crucial for me. So something that I started doing was I would go every single night. I also have this for. Let me find what I have for. Fuck. Let me find what I said for today. So basically, what the thing is I plan tomorrow today. So for example, right now it's the 7th of November. On the 6th of November, so yesterday, I went onto my phone, went onto my notes, and then I wrote out some things that I had to do today. And one of the things I wrote for today was make 3 long form videos. And this is the 3rd long form video that I'm making today. So I'm following up to that. And if you see this video, that means that I made the 3 videos today. Anyway, what I would do is every single night, you don't have to do this like autistically or force yourself to do it. It's like, it's kind of nice when you start getting into the habit of setting up just a short plan for yourself every single day. It's very easy to follow. It's just, you just go onto your phone and you just do it every single night. Because when you wake up in the morning, it's very nice to kind of have a plan of like, oh yeah, I have to remember this, I have to do this thing, and then yeah, I have to do this task, and then I have to do that, and it's very nice, and it just gives you a clear plan every single day. Then what I would do is I would download this app called Alarm Clock Extreme. Alarm Clock Extreme allows you, it's like, it sounds like the alarm clock is going to be like, oh, it's gonna mess up your sleep, it's gonna like, I don't know, like make some weird sound or whatever, but it's just an advanced alarm clock. So for example, you can set up all sorts of settings on it. What I've done is I have it so that I have to scan a QR code when I wake up. So for example, my alarm rings, bam, 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 it rings. I pick up the phone. Only thing I can do, I can't like snooze on or anything like that. So I have to press the button where it says turn it off. Then a QR code scanner pops up, and then I have to find a specific QR code. Then I go downstairs right here into the kitchen, and then I scan this QR code right here, if you can see it. There you go. Then I scan this QR code in specific, because what I've found is when you scroll in the morning, it's usually because you just laying in bed and then you pick up your phone immediately, and then you just like pick it up and then you check messages and notifications and everything like that. So the second thing is I have my phone way out of reach when I go to bed. I have it so I have to walk about. I'm laying in like the one corner of my room, and then it's like on the other side of the room. So it's like maybe 3 meters or something like that. So you can't just like reach it from your bed. You have to actually get up, turn it off, and then I have to walk downstairs, and now I'm already in the rhythm of things. Then what I would do is just cut out scrolling completely from your life, and that makes it way easier. Obviously, you can still like maybe go in and do something different, but you can all with the tasks thing, like with the plan tomorrow today, you can set it up so that you make the commitment to yourself where you say, I will start this task before this specific time. So if you say you're gonna wake up at 6 a.m., then you say, I will start this task before 6:10 a.m. And then you go downstairs, or however your house layout is. You go to the toilet, you take a shit, you maybe brush your teeth, maybe you don't. Then you go upstairs and then you start work. And then you start it before. You don't bring your phone, you have your phone like in another place. And that way you can start your morning in kind of a better way. You could also just make the commitment that you won't use your phone. So once the your alarm rings, you go downstairs, you turn the alarm off, you just put it there. You also, another important thing, don't have any notifications on your phone. If you can hear your phone going off, like, I don't know how I don't know how it is. I don't have any notifications on my phone except for, I think there's like an emergency app for my country where if we get invaded or there's like a fire close by or something like that, and I can't turn that off. But That's the only notification thing I have on my phone. I don't have anything else. As far as I remember, I don't think I have anything else than that. So yeah, set that up. So your day-to-day flow now is in the evening, go to your notes app, set up a few short tasks that you have to follow the next day. Then you wake up, you have to walk over to your phone and grab it. Then you have to walk downstairs to turn it off with a QR code. Now you're in the rhythm of things with the notes that you set for the day previously. You have a task which you can only follow if you do not like open your phone or do anything like that. And then you go do the task and then you're done. So this is pretty much what I would do if I didn't want to scroll in the morning. And yeah, with the whole thing of not scrolling at all, you can just watch any one of my other videos. I go more in depth on how to not scroll at all. And I also have a product first thing in the description. You can also ask me a question with that. If you go to the link in the description, you scroll down, you'll see my WhatsApp number. You can send me a message on WhatsApp and I will give you some personalized advice to your situation in specific. But also, if you click on the first thing in the description, you can just like look at my offer. I basically guarantee that you will not be addicted to your phone or what. I'm not so sure exactly. I will remove all your digital addictions. I'm not so sure what my specific offer is, but basically within the next 60 days, your phone will not be a problem to you. So yeah, click on that, go take some action and have a good rest of your day. See you, brother.